For recipe instructions and exact measurements of ingredients, please view the description box for all details. In this video, I will be making a big pot of this corned beef long rice, but if you want to make a smaller batch, say just for you and your family, I recommend cutting it in half. The first thing we're going to do is follow the package instructions for your long rice. This one says to soak rice in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. Long rice noodles are usually packed like a nest, and the texture feels very hard and wire-like. So because it's kind of a thick cluster, make sure you find a bowl big enough and deep enough so that you can fully submerge it underwater. While the noodles are enjoying their cold bath, it'll be a great time for you to cut your onions. Prepare a pan with some oil on medium heat to saute your onions. At about the halfway point, add your corned beef and cook them together. Keep the temperature on medium to medium-high heat and continuously stir it to prevent it from burning or sticking onto the bottom of the pan. A few minutes into cooking, you'll notice a lot of liquid being released. This is the perfect time to season it with your garlic and onion powder along with your pepper. Adding salt is optional, but I think the corned beef has just enough in it. The way I can tell that my corned beef is done is when I move it on the pan and there's no pooling of any liquid. Remove from heat and set it aside. Drain and rinse your noodles from the cold bath and transfer it into boiling water. The noodles will become less white and more transparent the longer you cook them. It could take about 5 to 10 minutes to cook, but make sure you do a texture test at about the 5-minute mark. You'll know they are done when they're transparent and stretchy just like a rubber band. Strain your noodles and then transfer them right back into the large pot. Mix in your corned beef and onions. While the temperature is on low heat, it's time to add 2 to 3 cups of chicken broth. You can definitely eyeball this part. If you want it to be more soupy, add more chicken broth. For me, I just like the noodles to be wet. Garnish it with green onions, and you can enjoy it just like this alone, or like how my family likes it, with rice.